Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Tomorrow is Krishna Jayanti. Lord Krishna is someone who is so adorable, not only by children, kids, but also by adults and old people. Lord Krishna being so adorable and very cute to see, it is so difficult to take our eyes off, right? So today, can we talk a little bit about Lord Krishna's story? Lord Shri Krishna is the ninth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He was born during the Dwapara Yuga out of four cyclic yugas described in our scriptures. The present yuga where we are in, which is Kali Yuga, started after Sri Lord Krishna returned back to his eternal abode of Vaikuntha. Lord Shri Krishna, being born in the Dwapara Yuga, is the eighth son born to the princess Devaki and her husband Vasudeva in Mathura city. However, Lord Shri Krishna was raised by his foster parents Yashoda and Nanda in Gokul, a small village in Mathura. Lord Shri Krishna was born during the midnight on Ashtami Tithi during Krishna Paksha in our calendar. We all love to celebrate Janmashtami, the birth anniversary of our beloved Lord Shri Krishna. Every single incarnation of Sri Lord Vishnu on the earth is with a purpose and to accomplish some definite tasks. Lord Shri Krishna came to the earth to kill King Kamsa and to relieve the people of Braj from his torture and tyranny. We all know that Lord Krishna participated in the events of the Mahabharata and he had a very good significant impact in the Mahabharata war. Bhagavad Gita, one of the most known for all of us, the biggest gift ever by Lord Shri Krishna, all of us would have read it at some point of time in our life. The messages which Sri Lord Krishna has given us in Bhagavad Gita are pearls of wisdom. It has so much impact in our daily life. Lord Krishna is always shown with blue skin. He is often shown with also a flute, wearing a yellow silk dhoti and a peacock feather crown. How cute he looks to look at. Lord Krishna was born in Mathura and raised in Gokulam. He spent his childhood days with Radha and other gopis in Vrindavan, which is the seat of an ancient forest. As soon as Lord Shri Krishna was born to Devaki and Vasudeva, the guards in the cell went into a deep slumber and the locks fell open. Placing little baby Krishna in a basket, Vasudeva left for Gokul. When he reached the Yamuna river, he saw that it was flooded due to the pouring rain. But he had to save little Krishna's life. So without fearing for his own life, Vasudeva started walking across the river. With his every step, the waters receded and the Lord Vishnu's serpent Adishesha protected baby Krishna from the rain. When Krishna reached Nanda's house, he saw that his wife Ashoda had given birth to a baby girl. Slowly he picked the baby up and placed Sri Krishna in her place. Then he returned to the prison with the baby. Devaki and Vasudeva had hoped that Kamsa would spare the baby girl because the prophecy had mentioned Devaki's eighth son, but Kamsa didn't care. He snatched the baby from their hands and flung her against a wall. Miraculously, the baby transformed into goddess Durga and informed Kamsa that Devaki's eighth son was alive and would soon come to hit him back. We all know that Lord Shri Krishna loved butter so much. As he grew older, Krishna started stealing butter from his own house and neighbors. Yashoda hung up the butter so that Krishna wouldn't be able to reach it. Slowly, other gopis also followed suit. Krishna and his friends weren't the ones to give up easily, right? They worked hard and they wanted to eat the butter at any cost. Next time they raided a house for butter, Krishna made all his friends form a human pyramid. He reached the top and broke the pot of butter. The friends relished it, much to the anger and disappointment of the gopis. There are more such interesting and so lovable stories of Lord Shri Krishna. What is there inside Krishna's mouth? Once, when Krishna and Balarama were playing, the avatar of Lord Vishnu stuffed a handful of mud into his mouth. When Krishna's friends complained to his mother, Yashoda ran to him and asked him to open his mouth. Initially, he refused to do it, but when Yashoda gave him a stern look, Krishna obliged. What Yashoda saw wasn't mud, but the entire universe. He had the full world inside his mouth. That's when she realized that Lord Shri Krishna was the Lord himself in disguise. One more very well known interesting story related to Krishna is the Govardhan. It was a ritual among the inhabitants of Vrindavan to worship Lord Indra, the god of rain. Once, when preparations were in full swing, Krishna suggested that the villagers should rather worship the Govardhan hill rather than Lord Indra. They asserted and started worshipping the hill. This made Lord Indra very angry, and he let rain clouds, loose over the village. It poured cats and dogs for days together, and everybody went to Sri Krishna for help. Unable to see his devotees in this plight and suffering, the Lord lifted the Govardhan hill himself with his little teeny tiny finger and protected everybody. He asked the villagers to take shelter under the hill and stood in that position for 7 nights. All the little cows, baby cows, every little child in the town, everybody came under that hill. So caring was Lord Shri Krishna, not only for the people in the village, but more importantly, the cows. Lord Shri Indra realized his mistake and apologized to Shri Krishna. We can go on and on listening to the Leelas, the miracles of our beloved Lord Shri Krishna at every single age in his life, be it childhood, be it adult, and then later before he went to the abode of Vaikuntham. Every single Leela, every single story is so interesting. Not only interesting, it makes everybody, all their hearts, cheerful, happy, encouraging, and so confident. So tomorrow being Krishna Jayanti, shall we all keep butter for Lord Shri Krishna and offer him all that we have in our house with lot of love and affection. Let us also put teeny tiny footprints of Lord Krishna and pray to him that he comes inside our house and blesses everybody. Wishing you all a very happy Krishna Jayanti. May he bless this entire world and keep us all happy, cheerful, with good health. Sarvam Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Jai Shankara Har Har Shankara. Periva Sharanam.